A painted floral buttercream cake. A few weeks ago, I shared this painted floral buttercream cake topped with fresh flowers. This time, I'm using buttercream flowers. I also used my new tilting turntable, which made decorating on the side of a cake so much easier. The birthday girl requested purple, green, and yellow. You can do this with just a brush by itself, or you can also use it along with a spatula or a butter knife like I did here. If you need more detailed instructions on this method, click over to the textured buttercream tutorial in the card above. The border is done with a number 12 round tip. One way to create a buttercream flower wreath on top of your cakes is by starting with mounds of green and then piping leaves all around with a 352 leaf tip. Use a star tip 14 or 15 to create what will be the center of the flowers. Then with a 101 petal tip, pipe tiny petals around the stars. You can create a big, full leaf for mums or dahlias using a petal tip. This is a 104, and it's filled with moss green mixed with yellow. To see a really detailed tutorial on how to make dahlias, click the card. I also have a fantastic mum instruction video. I'll leave all the links below in the description box for you. The grass tip makes a really pretty center for your flowers, and also you can use a mum tip or a curved petal for the little tiny petals that go around the center. Refrigerate the flower for at least 10 minutes before adding them to your designs. And this is also the grass tip, which I'm using to add a little bit of texture and more greenery around the flowers. Click the playlist above to get more ideas for your painted floral buttercream cakes.